Bonjour, j'espère que tu vas très bien et moi également je vais très bien par grâce de Dieu. Aujourd'hui, j'ai visité une usine d'un de mes partenaires, ça s'appelle Time Shijin Group. C'est une grande usine de fabrication de machines qui testent tous les matériaux. Ça peut tester des bois, donc la durée de vie par exemple d'un bois. Ça peut tester la durée de vie d'un fer. Ça peut tester la durée de vie de l'aluminium. En fait, pour des sociétés qui travaillent avec les fers, des matériaux de construction et tout, vous avez besoin normalement de ces genres de machines en fait qui vous permettra d'évaluer la durée de vie et l'efficacité, la durabilité des équipements que vous utilisez. Et je me suis rendu compte que la majorité des gens qui achètent, les clients qui achètent sont des clients venant de l'Asie, de l'Europe, des États-Unis. Mais en Afrique, il n'y a que l'Algérie qui achète en fait. Donc ça se voit que c'est encore un marché qui n'est pas encore ouvert en Afrique et que peut-être, pourquoi pas, les Africains aussi pourront se lancer là-dessus et voir comment est-ce qu'ils pourront aussi, avant d'utiliser le fer, voilà, avant de construire même des équipements, construire des maisons, on doit d'abord tester l'efficacité, la durée de vie de ces matériaux. Donc, je me suis rendu à l'usine, j'ai pris vraiment mon temps de filmer et vraiment vous allez m'excuser parce que vous savez, il n'est pas facile de faire une vidéo dans l'usine parce qu'à l'usine, il y a vraiment du bruit, il y a des gens qui travaillent par-ci par-là, du bruit, des fers et tout, mais on s'est vraiment efforcé de donner quand même un son visible et aussi, vous savez, la personne qui a filmé n'était pas vraiment aussi professionnelle, donc vous allez aussi nous excuser par rapport à ça, mais j'espère qu'on a fait de notre mieux pour vous montrer au moins comment est-ce que l'usine Time Shijin Group fonctionne et quels sont leurs produits. Alors si c'est pour votre première fois, n'hésitez pas de vous abonner, d'ailleurs merci beaucoup déjà, parce que je sais que vous allez vous abonner maintenant et surtout aussi liker la vidéo parce que ça permet à YouTube de comprendre que en réalité je ne passe pas mon temps. Donc je vous laisse suivre l'intégralité de ma visite là-bas et si vous avez des questions, si vous voulez contacter aussi cette usine, je mets les liens de la description, leur contact et tout pour que en fait pour que vous discutez avec lui en fait. Merci beaucoup, c'est Carderol Bombi, ton expert du marché chinois.
Mr. Kato, let me show you our factory, right? This is our workshop, and I will show you the samples in our exhibition, right? Okay, firstly, okay, let's go. Yes.
So we start from here?
Yes, we start here. This is our electronic universal testing machine. Okay. It's used to test some small pieces of samples like plastic, like compound material, okay. Yes, to tension, compression, and bending. Right. We use the best component, you see. Okay. Yeah, the ball screw. We use a grading ball screw, and we also use the best sensor. Okay. We imported from USA, and we also use the Japan motor. Right. So you see our stiffness is very high, right, compared with other competitors. Yes. Okay.
So they're all the same then, these three?
Yeah, these three are same. It's 1,000 kilo Newton. Okay. Yes. 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 And this one is also electronic universe testing machine.
Okay.
But
this one or is together?
Yeah, it's together. It's a control box. This is control box, and that is the main structure, main frame, right? Yes.
I see that.
Yeah, this is 300 kilo Newton. Yes, you see it's...
So this way you can test it.
Yes, this is for the chest plate, right, for compression. Yeah, and this part is for the tension. Yeah, we use hydraulic clamps. There is a button. So you put this button, the clamps just,
Oh, we just try to compress them.
Yes, yes. So it's used, convenient and also high stiffness. The machine is almost 16 kilograms.
Wow.
Yes, so it's really big,
It's a big machine, I can see that. So you sell this together then?
Yeah, we sell this together. Yes. Also the Japan motor and USA sensor, right? Yes. For this one is the hydraulic universal testing machine. Over 300 kilonewtons, right? We use hydraulic testing machine, and this one is 1,000 kilonewton.
It seems like the same then. It's kind of
Yeah.
similar because I have seen this one.
Yeah, it seems some part is same. The control box is the same. Yeah, but frame is totally different. Yes, this testing machine we drive by the motor, the servo motor, and this kind, right? We drive by the cylinder. Yes, cylinder. Inside the plate, right? There is cylinder. So we just the oil will drive the cylinder to up and down to realize the function to tension and compression, right? Yes. So we really have a long history making this hydraulic testing machine from 1952, right? We learned from Russia the technology. So
this technology is imported then?
Yes, imported from Russia, a long time ago. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We also later I will show you our manufacturing machine, manufacture the cylinder. It's totally different and without the seal, and will not leakage all the time.
Wow.
Yes. Okay.
This is cool then.
Yes. Yeah, this is
The same?
almost the same, but this smaller one. Then one is 1,000 tons. This is just 60 tons. So
60
yeah,
tons.
yes.
Well, okay.
And this one is electronic universal testing machine, right? It just 100 to 10 tons, 100 kilonewtons, right? Yes.
So what does it test then?
Test is test for the mental and non-mental, the tension, compression, and bending, right? It's almost the same, but different according to their max test load. So we divide several types: 10 tons, 30 tons, and 16 tons, 1,000 tons, right? Yes. This is the fixture, right? Yes. Collapse, right? Yes. The plate. Yes. We can put the collapse under. We can put under the cross beam or over the cross beam. That depends on the customer's demand, right? Requirement. Yes.
This is small one.
Yeah, this is smaller one. It's just 1 ton or 5,000 newtons, right? It most used to test the plastic.
This for the plastic?
Yeah, for the plastic or for the rubber, right? This fixture is designed for the rubber, for plastic, so he can collapse it, fasten, right, tightly. Yes, and this is extensometer.
Okay.
Yeah, this extensometer can grab the plastic or the rubber, right, to test the displacement of the samples. Yes. Yes. It's about 300 kilograms. 300. Yeah. Yeah. But that one, that one is almost 1 ton. This one. And
it's less than 1 ton. This is less than 1 ton.
Oh, you mean the
weight.
The weight. The weight is not 1 ton, just 300 kilograms. Yes.
It's less than 1.
Yes. And this one is used to, the compression for the concrete. Yes. For cement, what is cement, Yes, yes. So the compression.
Is it for the plastic or what?
No, it's not for plastic. It's just for the concrete and cement. Yeah. And this is the compression, and this is the bending. The bending. And this one, is how to say that is for impact testing machine, pendulum testing, right? So this machine is to make the sample. Yes, we to get V and U samples, type samples. Yeah. So and also this is cooler box. It's also used to cool the impact testing machine sample, to cool the sample. Yes. After processing the sample and put it into the cooler box, after the temperature reach the temperature, right? We will put the sample to impact testing machine. Yeah, so we will know exactly how much the energy, right? Yes.
So it's supposed to be sold together then?
Yeah.
Or it depends on the customer?
Yeah, it depends on the customer. We also, have automatic impact testing machine. So the impact testing machine also have the controller box, right? Also the automatic sample giving device. Yes. So.
Yeah. So it depends. You can buy this one automatic.
Yeah, you can buy automatic one or just buy impact testing machine and a cooler box. Yes, one by one. Yeah. And this is also for plastic and for rubber. Yes, you see, with different samples, with different materials, we use different this clapper, right? Yes. This also extensometer to test the huge displacement. We use this. Yeah, this one and that one is also we sell abroad to India. Yes, yes. It's a China's factory who set a new factory in India and bought products from us. Yes. Okay, it's the same. And this one is 30 tons, also sell to India, but because of the pandemic, right? India is not possible, yes, to ship, right? So it's still leaving our factory.
So these are for the clients then?
Uh-huh.
For the clients, for the customer?
Yes, it's all already for clients.
Okay.
Yes.
So you cannot ship that?
Yeah, we cannot ship. Wow, this one is it's 100 tons. Yeah, and this machine, yes, the weight is almost 5 tons. And this machine, we learn from Japan. There is a very, very famous company. And at the beginning, we could operate together. We get a controller from them, right? And this, and we give them the test machine, the main structure, right? And they give us controller. So
what does it test then? Because I see the hood here.
Yeah, it's called UTM, universal test machine.
Oh,
so we can,
universal.
Yeah, universal. So we can test concrete, everything possible. If you can, collapse the samples, right, or compress the samples, or bend the samples, everything you can test if you want. Yeah, yeah. Also, there are so many patents in this test machine. Yes. And this one is called spring test machine. It's called the coin spring, right? Yeah, coin spring to tension, compression. Yeah, our company really have a long history since 2050. No, it's not. It's 1952, right? And a state-owned company at that time, and the only manufacturer of spring testing machine. And now we are the leader of the China Spring Association, Yes, so yes, this is for tension and compression. Yes, the load cell is just 5,000 newtons. Yes. And this one is for a small spring, fatigue testing machine. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah. Inside there is a motor, right? The motor can drive, the plant up and down, and spring just in the middle of the plant, right? So it can compression and tension to test how many times the spring were fatigued and were broken. So we can see on the digital screen. Yes. Yeah. Yes. This is a smaller one. We also have a.
That's the small one. So this one the big one.
Yeah, this is the big one. This is.
That's together.
Uh-huh.
I mean, the two are together?
Yes, two are together. This part is the main structure, right? And this part is the oil pump box. And there is another part, it's called controller box. Yes. So this is for the steel, the flat steel, the bending test. There are 3 cylinders. The first one, to compress. Yeah, and the other part, will push. So the it's a flat steel where you know, to be a U type, so to say the 性能怎么说 to see the whether the steel is good or bad. Yes, it's really huge, right?
That's really huge.
Yes.
How many tons is this one?
Almost 10 tons.
10 tons.
Yes.
Oh, you can see.
Yes.
Shijin.
Yes. You can see this brand, Shijin, right? And this, you know, this box is you know, the universal testing machine, hydraulic universal testing machine. We are ready to ship to Russia.
Or to Russia?
Yeah, to Russia. So you can see the box. You know, it's totally different, right? Yes.
I think that's safe, yeah?
Yeah, it's safe. Yes. Yes.
Okay, cool. Because I've seen all of these
Yes.
machines.
And okay. And you say this part we used to, you know, to make the robot. This robot is used for our testing machine.
Let me see them.
Yes.
Oh, this is for testing machine also?
Yes.
It's kind of new technology or what?
Yes, exactly. This is used for the testing machine. Also used for, you know, the welding, welding machine. So we use this to test automatically, to weld, you know, automatically. Yes.
So it seems like these are also like kind of the new technology for the old one then.
Yes, yes. We have so many successful cases use robot, right, to just, you know, test automatically without the testing person, right? So you just put the samples here, and after, you know, when you're off the work, you to get the data, right? Yes. Let's go. Right. It's also our group. Yes. So it's called we call Time Shijin Group. Time Group and Shijin Group, we are the same company. Yes, all the same. Here is the electronic universal testing machine, the workshop of the universal testing machine, right? It's the 300 kilonewtons, right? Yes, 30 tons, and all 30 tons, 20 tons, 10 tons, and 5 tons, all the universal testing machine. They drive by the servo motor, right? Use the best USA sensor. Yes, also the grinding ball screw and the casting. You see the, you know, our, you know, the cross beam is totally different from other competitors. The upper, middle, and down, you know, cross beams, we use the casting part. The others just use steel. You know, steel have the high, you know, displacement, so it's not as good as us, right? Yes. Use this type of testing machine. It's horizontal tensile testing machine. You know, the max test load is almost 500 tons. Yeah, this is used for the long samples, especially the chain, the wire rope, right? For the tension, you know, the space is almost 10. We can make it at 10 meters or 20 meters or 30 meters, even longer. That depends on the customer's requirement.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this one, how long is this one?
This one is not too long actually. We just sold to our customer, and they are, you know, training our customer today. It's the total length is almost 15 meters. Yeah, that is not the longest one. You know the longest one? 40 meters we have made.
40 meters.
Yes, impossible, right? Yes.
But my question is just like, how can you ship those on? But
Okay,
I'll
ship?
ask you later then. How do you ship that?
Yeah, we can ship. You know, we can, you know, divide it several parts. Yes. So this part is 4 meters, and that part is 5 meters. After ship to the customers, then we can, you know, to combine it. The technology from Japan. Yes. Just we use the main structure to transfer the controller. Yes. So we still weld this kind of type. Yes. This is our cylinder. We use our processing machine grinding the cylinder. Our cylinder really have a lot of advantage. The most important one is, you know, our cylinder, we grinding it with a piston and cylinder without the seal. So after the cylinder ready, it will not leakage all the time. So other competitors to use the seal. So the seal will grow old, right? And leakage. So that's the difference. This is our advantage. So we sell well, especially international market. Yes.
I know this is the best material actually.
Yes, the best materials. Yes.
Cool.
Yes. This is our, the cylinder processing machines, right? We bought 2 of these from Japan. So this yes, they really have a high accuracy, right? Precision. Yeah, to grind in the cylinder. So to guarantee the precision of the cylinder. So we don't use the seal, right? Our advantage. So we use these 2 processing machine.
So these are 2 do the same job?
Yeah, the same job. This is for smaller one, that is for bigger one. Yes. And also see this one? These big guys, yeah. It can move X, Y, Z, different direction, right? It can grinding a very huge component, right? And you know how much this machine cost?
No.
I tell you.
Oh, you told me. I don't remember this.
Okay. This processing machine is for the precision part. Yeah, you see all the machines we bought from Japan, from USA and Germany, right? For precision part. Yes. And some of the component we make it for Beijing Time Group. We are same company, but we do some jobs for them. Yes. Okay. You see, this is our hardness tester workshop, and this all the tester. We are ready to ship. Yes, it's already. Yes, it's rock hardness tester and Brazil hardness tester and Victor hardness tester, and it's also you see there is a workshop. Yes. So
I mean, they are ready to ship where actually?
Yeah.
Countries?
This type is this kind of box is for the international customer, and that kind is just for the domestic customer.
Domestic.
Yes.
Oh, you mean this kind of like package here?
Yeah.
Different colors.
Yeah, international trade needs the different specific, the box.
Yeah.
Yes, wooden box, right?
Yeah, wooden box.
Yes, they have different requirement.
I see.
Yes.
I see.
Yes.
So then I can guess this one is also international.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
I understand that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is the rock wheel hardness tester. Yes, it's automatically. And you saw there's the long nose, right? It can test different materials for the ring. You can test the inside the ring or outside the ring. Yes, this is our the building's lobby, right? Let me introduce our company for you.
We've been to the workshop. We saw all the equipment, all the machines, all the products.
Yes.
And now I got some questions. I want to ask you about what I saw there, because they are big machines. They weigh tons, man.
Yes.
You told me about 300 tons.
Yes.
That was so. I wonder myself, how do you ship that? If you have to ship like 100 tons, because another container doesn't take more than 28 tons.
Okay, you misunderstood, right?
Okay.
It's not 300 tons for the test machine.
Okay.
It's the tested, the load cell is 300 300 tons. But actually, the machine, the total weight is almost 10 tons. Or yes, some are 40 tons, 20 tons. Yeah, something like this.
Also, what we meant by 300 tons is not about the machine, but it's about the capacity.
Yes. Exactly. It's a capacity.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
I see that. Now I understand that. So most likely, because I've seen, where your most customers are, because I saw on the map, there are most of the South America, in Europe, in Asia. So how do you ship that?
Actually, we use the best wooden box according to the requirement of the international department, right? Most of our products we ship by the safe rate, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what about the train one?
Not really. Maybe in China, right?
Oh, in Asia.
In domestic market, we use the train. But to nowadays, there are some the Europe
European countries.
European countries,
Yeah.
we just ship by the train. You know, there are so many railway trains from China to Europe.
Yeah,
Yes.
to most countries there because of the new project of Xi Jinping. The
Yes.
Belt and Road Initiative.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I heard about
Right.
that.
Yeah.
So what about the price? I mean, the range of the price actually, because
Yes.
I know in China, when the product is expensive, it means the quality is good.
Yes, exactly. Especially, you know, I've been told you our company have a long history, and we always use the best component, the servo motor, right? The custom, it's a grinding ball screw, right? The cross beams, the custom cross beams, right? And so our products is really upscale in China. So our price is more, maybe higher than our competitors. But you see the quality is totally different, right? Yeah. So maybe the range is so wide. Yes, from several thousand. Yes, the most expensive one I've ever sold is almost 1.6 million RMB. Yes, it's just for one machine. It's
machine?
a horizontal tensile test machine. It's 500 tons the capacity.
That's capacity. So now the big question is about now what's the time range, like if you have to produce for one product.
Yes, that depends on the products, right? Yeah, some we just use 10 days, maybe 20 days, but for the bigger one, for that dynamic testing machine, maybe it costs 3 months to manufacture. Yes.
So it depends on the demand.
Yes.
So you also have the product that are already maybe ready to buy. That if you let someone want to buy, then it's already there. You can just immediately ship.
Yeah, exactly. For some customers, they are urgent to use it, right? So we'll find another ways. Maybe some customer are not urgent. Yes, we can just give urgent customer these products, and we will make another one. Yes.
Oh yeah, I see that. So some people would like maybe to contact you because it's more interesting. That's the factory actually. So they want to contact the factory directly, and I know you are the responsible of that. So how can they contact you actually? Do you use WhatsApp and those numbers?
We have English website. I also have WhatsApp, I have WeChat, and you also can call me. Yes, by international call, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So you also have Alibaba then.
Yes, we advertise in West Alibaba, right? We also made in China. Yes, so we have many platforms to sell. Yes, we also can just buy the products directly from our company, and we also have a lot of agencies over the world. Yes.
Okay. You have partners actually who present.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's cool then. So I think I will put all the information in the description below, so that if you want to contact him, you just click on that directly. You get there, no problem. So I think I'm gonna be honest with you. That was a great time because you welcomed me here. We went to the workshop. And also, that was. I also have the opportunity to meet your boss, the guy that we met there.
Yeah, my supervisor.
That's
He's
the supervisor.
Boss. Yes,
that's the boss here.
Yes.
So I'm lucky today because I've seen, one of the biggest factory in China. Thank you guys for watching. And I told you last time that I will get to the factory so that we can visit exactly the product. And today I made it. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Put the button, the blue button, the like, and also you can share to your friends or to people who are looking for this type of machines. That was Cardwell Bombi, your man.
Okay.